Well, the Family Therapy Training Institute is a postgraduate training program in marriage and family therapy. We have been accredited, nationally accredited, since 1974, and probably close to 300 students have passed through our doors. Marriage and family therapy is a recognized mental health profession. It provides psychotherapy or provides services from a systemic perspective, which means that we train our students and teach our students to see the presenting problem through the lens of relationship issues. So we see a lot of couples, we see a lot of families, and we are interested in knowing the perspectives that the family brings and then how they can find solutions that honor all of their perspectives. So we tend to work with groups of people. The Family Therapy Training Institute now provides training which is in line with the Wisconsin state licensing law. Marriage and family therapy is a licensed profession. You can't do it in our state unless you hold a license. And so our coursework and our supervised practice is in line with the licensing law. So our students, that's where they're headed. They come here, some of them already trained in mental health, trained in social work or psychology, but wanting to add the systemic perspective. But all of our students come here with the intent ultimately in being licensed and being able to practice in our community.